Alright, let's add a little detailing underneath the apron where in the few places where it's actually important. And we just don't need 32 vertices on something that's that small and never seen. So here are these posts under here, and the reason I'm going to place them even though you'd never see them is I want them there to help me place the washer that actually sticks through the apron, holds the apron in place. So for that reason, I'm going to keep those there for now. And this one actually physically, the ball can hit that, so we'll leave that there. And those are like really burnished, but we'll just make them metal for now. Okay, those are in place, and then the next thing we want to do is put in the shooter lane guide. So I'm going to use one corner of this. And this is very similar of putting in our ball guides up top that we did earlier in this project. So this starts about here. Starts there. Goes to here. And then after this, it bends down like that. And let's get a couple spots where we have those curves, let's get those in. Again, not too much geometry here because nobody sees this, but the ball does interact with it. That. And then one more. Say right there. Slow trying to get make sure I'm lined up with my reference images here. Comes down to about right here. And then goes around this post. About like that. Okay, and then if you wanted to be really detailed, you could take this and make loop cuts and drag this out Z. Like that, and then, you know, because it's anchored into the playfield right there, but except for illustration purposes, just not, I don't know, I don't think so. So anyway, so the ball is going to travel along this when it gets ejected to the shooter lane, so we need that there. And then finally, I think the last piece of detailing we need under the apron is just going to be the ramp. So just do something simple like this. Need to add some thickness to this so I can actually see what I'm working with. That'll help. Well, apparently I didn't separate those yet, so I just want to grab that. Let's make that a separate mesh. Okay. And then this starts, you know, beneath the playfield, but then, you know, it's completely flat by here, and over the hump by, let's see, shortly after this screw. Doesn't really come up above the playfield until about right there, so again, not visible. This is just, you know, physical for the ball. And so there's our shooter ramp. Okay, I think that's all the detailing that we needed to do underneath the apron. So that's good. And hopefully next time we'll be doing something more exciting. Here's a quick addendum. Our man Borg Dog let me know that I measured rails incorrectly. He is absolutely correct. So now I do a bunch of tweaking on these on the side when we are not recording, but because this is an important measurement and I was a buffoon to not be precise in my measurement of these, I just want to make sure that we formally correct these. So we are gonna add 1/8 of an inch to our rails. So now they are 1 1/8 inch tall. So thanks Borg Dog for that. All fixed and should be in better shape.